Hi guys, welcome. Thank you for coming and clicking on that button. Welcome to Giselle's Beauty Advice. I hoping that this is a quick video. So if you've watched my skincare video, I mentioned that I also once a month I do what's called a deep collagen mask, and I usually use this one by BioDance. It's a Bio-Collagen real deep mask. I use it once a month, and the purpose of it is really for the collagen to be concentrated and infused, kind of on a molecular level, into my skin. It does have hydraulic acid, which improves the resiliency of replenishing moisture to your skin. Okay, so I do this once a month. So this, when I do this, then I won't be putting those eye patches that I told you guys about, because sometimes right here, some people it's baggy, some people it goes in a bit. With me it can go in a bit, but because I put the eye patches in my last video that I told you guys about, I don't have that problem as much, but I do watch it. So anyways, this is a Bio Essence Real Deep Mask, and so once a month, I think there has been time like I'm getting ready to go like on a vacation or something like that, and so a month before, maybe I'll do it 2 weeks, and then go to vacation, right? So, but normally it's just once a month, because this is not part of my daily, nightly routine. It's a monthly thing, okay? And sometimes I'll put it in my calendar, but usually I remember. I'll be like, yeah, I'm kind of used to knowing, okay, I need to do that. So I just took it out of this box. This is, again, I guess where I got it from. Yeah, I did get it on Amazon, but the reason why I got it there is I was comparing different ones on there, and I just really like the way this one sound. So supposedly it turns transparent as it absorbs active ingredients, and the other mask that I seen just didn't have that. And it says turns transparent when applied for more than 3 hours and delivers active ingredients into the skin. So I'm getting ready to go to bed. I've already took in my shower, and I have already did all the the stuff that, and it was quick. The video shows it long, but it was quick. It was like rub this on, do this, that, whatever, everything in that video. So even though this says start with a clean, fresh skin, you can do that. For me, I just do it like that. So let's go. We're gonna open up this buddy, and let's do this. Okay. Hydrogel mask, formulated, highly concentrated. It's infused. I just feel like I'm not telling you guys everything. Okay, infused with collagen. Okay, so when you open this, again, it's in this box. I took one out. I believe 4 comes in here. So when you open this, it's really like I'll show you what I'm talking about. You see, like not slimy, but like just wet, But what I like about it is it has these little plastics on it. So then you open it up like this. So once I take this out, this would be the bottom of the face, like that, and this will be the top. So I will take this out. So I am taking this off. You see that plastic? This is for the mouth, right here. And I'm just gonna put this. Try not to laugh. If somebody around you got a problem with you doing this, then that's their problem. It's not yours. So you can leave this on for 3 hours. You know me, I'll fall asleep on this. And then now we're gonna open up this. This is a hard plastic part. This is for, I'll show you what this is for. But this is the plastic part, okay? So we're gonna take the plastic off. So do you see that? Just taking the plastic off on one side. Okay, so I am taking the top part now. You see that? It actually sticks right on to your face. Probably should have took this towel thing off my head, but when I was washing my face, I didn't want water to get in the wrong place. So you see that? So just depending on how big your face is, and it covers your nose. Do you see that? Ooh. So this gets transparent. It says you can wear it for 3 hours. Guys, if you want to wear this for 20 minutes, knock yourself out. But I'm not doing that. I'm going to follow, not really follow. I'm going to follow the directions, but it sticks, see? Hey girl, how you doing? You know, you look like Miss Universe right now. Hey. Go outside and check them out. I can't even laugh. Okay, well, you know, funny enough, they have these little pieces, I guess, if you want to fall asleep or not fall asleep. You know how like sometimes I'll just do this and watch TV, but if you want it to be like, okay, it's 3 hours, set your timer and just put, God help me, I would normally have my eyes closed, right? You know how you put cucumbers? That's what this is. That's why I like this. Like that. And you just go, and you let that collagen, and it firms your face. It keeps it nice and tight. And so I really, really, really like it. Yeah. So that's that. Guys, they don't play. Even if you want to go to sleep, they got this for your lips. Look, but I can't keep it on there, but look. So you'd be looking like this with in bad look. It's still, way too much. Girl, it still look cute. Hey, girl. Okay, ready? Okay. Well, I'm actually gonna sleep with this. And so, look, I have no lipstick on or anything, but you know, you see the skin video where I used the lip scrub, you know, whatever, but you can go look at that. But okay, so I will be back either in 3 hours or when I wake up in the morning. Just depends on how I feel, and I will let you guys know how this works. But again, this is the mask. I opened it. It's really good. Just do it once a month and you will see a difference. Just look, anything that's worth having, anything that's worth having, you do, you know what I mean? Like you got to eat every day, but you can eat healthy, or you can choose what you want to do. You can take care of your face, or you can just, you know, just go whatever and not necessarily care. But I personally, I like to take care of myself, you know. It's only one guilty pleasure after I come home from work and this, that, whatever. I take care of it. But anyways, I'm not gonna keep babbling. I will be back, so I will talk to you guys later and let you know how this look in the morning. Please tell me if you see a difference. I mean, you know, the nighttime routine that I do helps keep everything, but just tell me if you see a difference or if it's tightened or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna go lay down. All right, thank you guys. Remember, 3 hours, or for me I might fall asleep. It just depends what I want to do. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye. I'll be back. Again, I just want to add, this is not a sheet mask. This is like, do you see that? It's a collagen mask, like gel. Okay, that's why I like this. Gel masks are different, but maybe this does a more deeper layer absorbance into the skin, if you know what I mean. Okay, I just want to say that, but you see that? Alright guys, so it's the next day. I fell asleep more than 3 hours. So I had this, as you can see, it's like the form of my lip right there. But I had put this extra mask on top of this mask. That's the reason why this didn't go clear. It's literally this. So I kind of went to bed like this, and I didn't show you guys that part, but I just thought at the last minute, because I didn't want it to, it wasn't even moving. I don't even know why I thought that. It just stays on. So I actually went to bed. I know this. Well, I thought I was just going to do 3 hours, but I fell completely asleep, and this is early in the morning now. Anyways, I literally, guys, seriously, I went to bed like this, and the only thing that was out was this. Like this. So funny. So that's why this dried up. But it was good if my lips took the collagen, as you can see. My skin is also right here. You see that up on top of my eyes? Took the collagen. But because I covered this, it did not, it took the collagen, but it's making it last longer and penetrating longer, and I have no problems with that. So I'll just walk around with this. Today is, it's a Sunday, so I don't have to like jump up and be somewhere. I can walk around the house, and once this dries, I'll be back. All right. Okay guys, I just wanted to come back. I was in the kitchen doing stuff, and I was like, you know what? I can't cook and do all this stuff with it on. So I ended up starting to take it off, and I remembered, oh my God, I have to film it. So I literally just pulled it off. I don't know if you can see. Oh, you know, look, I don't know. So this part turned clear because it didn't have, it had air on it, I guess, and this part is still kind of white, but whatever. It's just a collagen. Whatever you see, it's just a collagen going into my skin and just supple, moisturizing it and making it really nice and supple. So that's what I kind of like. And you see right here, I'm going to just take this off. See that? So that's pretty much how it looked when I was taking it off on my skin. You see that? You see? That's pretty much how it looked when I was taking it off on my skin. Just a natural, glowy, and it's more collagen, right? You see what I'm saying? Yeah. And if you notice, right here didn't really get it, so between the eye, you can see the difference, you know, but whatever. So this is the finished look. I will, if I go out later, we might be going out, so I will be putting makeup on. But the good thing about the skincare that I'm doing is I don't have to put much makeup on to you know, it already looks like it has a foundation, and this is no makeup. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I just do my brows, light powder. Before I was taking care of my skin, I had to do not heavy foundation, but heavy foundation probably. Like, I couldn't really just get away with the one that was a sheer foundation. I had to deal with like full coverage is what they refer to it as. And I love Lancome because Lancome had my color. I think it was medium bisque, and I had to mix it with not suede, but another darker to get an olive, to whatever, to get my complexion. It was really hard to find, and I would use that, the concealers, and I would use, but once I realized taking care of my skin from the outside, and then also taking care of my skin from the inside, which is a video about the vitamins that I take. I do have that, if you look on my channel, with collagen and everything like that. So it slowed down, you know, like the production of any type of acne, or even the free radicals that causes wrinkles. You know, it just slowed everything down. I mean, I can't, you know, promise, you know, you're chasing the fountain of youth, but do your part. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people think this is a quick solve of that. But just like when you're exercising, it takes time. But if you don't do your part or try to eat right, there might be a day where, you know what I mean, you picked out a little bit. So what? I've had those days. I'll eat pizza, we go to the beach, whatever. It's not a big deal. It's just consistency. And there's some days that I go to bed, I did not, probably didn't even get to wash my face. You know what I mean? But this is not consistently. If I don't consistently try to do what's right with my skin, then I won't see the difference. So yeah, this is really good, guys. Get it. It's good. I promise you. You'll like it. And I'll go wash my face with the stuff that the Peter Roth cleanser and whatever else, and then, you know, fix my lashes, do my brows, you know, just do stuff and get ready. So that's what I'm going to do today. But I just want to come back and let you guys see. But I did peel it off. I should have did it in front of you guys, but I was just like in the kitchen. It was getting hot. I was just like, and I remembered, and I ended up only had left these two on, but I just took it off literally. So this is the finished product. This is the finished result. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you guys if you can like, comment, and subscribe, right? And I'll keep doing more videos of all the Giselle's beauty advice that I do have. I do have a lot of advice to give, and if you have anything in the comment section that you might want me to talk about or ask questions about, or maybe I might have an advice about or can give you, like, what's good for this or that, put it there. I'll see if, and if I do know, I will either make a video about it or I'll respond to you in the comment section. All right, thank you guys. Love you. Bye.